Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best reviews on the latest products in the market. Today, we're diving into the world of men's fashion with a focus on accessories. And let me tell you, if you're looking for the best sky blue bow tie out there, you've come to the right place. Introducing the HISDERN blue bow tie for men. This Pretied bow tie is not just your ordinary accessory. It's a statement piece that adds a touch of elegance and sophistication to any outfit. Whether you're dressing up for a wedding, a formal business event, or even a Christmas party, this bow tie has got you covered. What sets this bow tie apart is its exceptional craftsmanship. Made from high-quality satin fabric, it exudes luxury and class. The double-layer design gives it a rich texture and a substantial feel, ensuring that you look sharp and refined wherever you go. And let's talk about convenience. With its pre-tied knot and adjustable strap, you can say goodbye to the hassle of tying a bow tie yourself. Simply put it on, adjust the strap to your desired fit, and you're ready to go. It's that easy. Whether you're pairing it with a classic suit and shirt combo or adding a dash of flair to a more casual ensemble. With a vest and suspenders, the HISDERN blue bow tie effortlessly elevates your look. And with its timeless design, it's a versatile accessory that you'll reach for time and time again. Available at an unbeatable price of just $9.99, this bow tie is a steal. Plus, with the option to save even more with coupons and discounts, it's an opportunity you don't want to miss. So there you have it, folks. The HISDERN blue bow tie for men is not just a bow tie, it's a style statement. Upgrade your wardrobe today and make heads turn wherever you go. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Until next time, stay stylish.